Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So as discussed, आज हमारा एक और सैम्पल पेपर हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं और जैसे कि मैंने आप सबको बताया था द सैम्पल पेपर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व टुडे इज गोइंग टू बी सेट 23/1 2025 में ये सेट आया था एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस। और इसीलिए मैंने आप सबको कल बोल दिया था कि आप इस पेपर के जो पैसेजेस हैं उनको वेल इन एडवांस पढ़ के रखेंगे। एज क्लियरली टोल्ड यू, पेपर की इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपने क्लियरली पढ़नी है, उसके बाद पेपर अटेम्प्ट करना शुरू करना है। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द पेपर। सो जो पहला पैसेज है आपके इसमें जो इस पेपर में जो पहला पैसेज है दैट इज अबाउट बिल्डिंग किचन गार्डन। सो ये बताया गया है दैट हाउ बिल्डिंग किचन गार्डन्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम स्पेसिफिकली इन अर्बन एरियाज, वो प्रैक्टिस क्यों शुरू हुई, उसके क्या क्या फायदे हैं। All right, so let us start and of course what is the process of building kitchen gardens. Okay, so let us start with, I hope all of you can see the screen now very clearly. Okay, so now let us start with solving the questions of the first passage. तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो हमसे पूछा गया है वो है, what does the writers use of phrases like in urban regions kitchen gardens have garnered great acknowledgement suggest about kitchen gardening today? तो ये पूछा गया है कि पैराग्राफ 1 में ये जो फ्रेज है इन अर्बन रीजन्स किचन गार्डन्स हैव गार्नर्ड ग्रेट एक्नॉलेजमेंट, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये क्या सजेस्ट करता है कि क्या वो इन्फ्लेशन को रिड्यूस करता है? नो। क्या ये एक एक्सपेंसिव हॉबी है? नहीं। Does it provide nutritious food? Yes, this is the answer. It does not minimize adverse effects of the environment. That is also not the option. Answer is option C, which is it provides nutritious food. Okay. Next, complete the following with suitable explanation. Growing of kitchen gardens is cost effective. अब आपसे ये पूछा गया है that why is it cost effective? ऐसा क्या है that growing of kitchen gardens has become cost effective? So इसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन ये है that whatever material is required that is easily available at home, and how empty vessels like clay pots and certain tin cans, how these can be used to make the kitchen garden. Then third question is, identify two differences between methods adopted in traditional farming and kitchen gardens. So obviously traditional farming में आप synthetic fertilizer ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो, ट्रेडिशनल में आप ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर यूज़ करते हो. सो इवन द tea bags that you probably use when you're making tea, so you dry them up and then that is used as a in a way a manure for the soil, and of course kitchen garden जो है वो एक limited area में है, traditional farming जो है वो एक vast area में किया जाता है. Then you talk about the cost effectiveness here also, and of course you can also talk about that how traditional farming in comparison to kitchen gardens in comparison to traditional farming, कैसे kitchen gardens जो है उसका बहुत नेग्लिजिबल यूज है किचन गार्डन्स का. इस वजह से क्या होता है दैट देयर इज वेरी लेस इफेक्ट ऑन द environment. All right, so that's about it. So now let's move on to the next question, which is the fourth question. It says substitute the underlined word with the correct word from paragraph 4. The local residents nurturing of their surrounding flora and fauna helps to create awareness about civic responsibilities. So यहाँ पर आप यूज कर सकते हो, या तो आप वर्ड यूज कर सकते हो promoting या फिर fostering. Okay, then next it says tending to a kitchen garden has many health benefits. Explain in about 40 words. So first is of course कि आप organic material use करते हो, तो whatever the output that you get, it is good enough. Alright, so आपको पता है कि कोई harmful chemical नहीं use किया गया है. Okay, moving on. The next benefit that you get is that you know एक आपकी it's in a way it is very therapeutic, it is very it releases stress also, because you when you're close to nature like that, so you feel connected, you feel grounded, and you feel that as if your a lot of stress levels, they come down. And of course it also helps you stay active, reduces a lot of helps to overcome a lot of issues related to probably blood pressure, and maybe the weaknesses in muscles, so all these issues are overcome. Okay, then the sixth option is select the option that best reflects the concept that kitchen gardening is an effective educational tool for children. Why? Because it contributes to effective community development, or it helps develop sensitivity and appreciation for nature. So very clear, the answer is that it helps develop sensitivity and appreciation for nature. Then the seventh question, what hurdles do kitchen gardeners face? Mention any two. So of course there is a limited space where you can practice. Then you're not always sure of the quality of soil. Another point, of course, that you can mention is that there is lack of proper sunlight. Then state whether the following statement is true or false. Kitchen gardening should be practiced by everyone living in the cities. So is this statement true or is it false? Of course it is true. Then the second passage is about silk, okay, that how it is produced and why it is a very cumbersome procedure to rear silk, and then the production of silk. So we come to the question, silk is a popular fabric in India. Now you need to support this statement with evidences from the text, from the passage. So first, of course, because it is a smooth texture, it is considered very luxurious also. Then it absorbs and releases a lot of moisture, and when it is worn, it regulates the body temperature. Okay, so these can be your pointers. Then you have assertion reasoning based question. मैंने आपको पिछले कुछ सेशंस में बताया है कि assertion reasoning based question कैसे आंसर करना है. So assertion is silk feels comfortable to the skin. It is made up of natural protein fiber. So very clearly the answer is option A, that both A and R, assertion and reasoning, are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Alright. So moving on. The next question is the third question. It says justify the following. Though one of the strongest natural fibers, silk remains stretched. So now you have to explain this. So here you can probably talk about that, how probably the weight is made, that it loses 20% of its strength when it is wet. So elasticity is kind of moderate and sometimes poor also. Okay, then the fourth question is, according to the passage, in what way is sunlight harmful to the skin? So what happens when it is overly exposed to sun? When silk as a fabric, when it is overly exposed to skin, it weakens. All right. Then the fifth question says, to produce 1 kg of silk, 104 kg of mulberry leaves must be eaten by 3000 silkworms. State any one inference that can be drawn from the above statement. So very clear, जो हमें inference मिलती है, conclusion मिलती है, वो ये है कि silk को बनाना एक बहुत cumbersome process है. It is a very labor intensive work also. So you can use the word cumbersome process. Then there's a very specialized knowledge that is required. All right. Okay, complete the following with one suitable reason from the text. Silk production work can be carried out by silk artisans because, of course, it requires special knowledge. Then based on the text, which state was the smallest producer of silk? Very clear, the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Then complete the sentence suitably. To carry out silk production requires careful selection because Why it requires careful selection? Because the superior quality, of the fabric from long and uniform silk fiber. So, because very superior quality has to be used. Then give one reason to support why production of silk is limited. Again, because it is very labor intensive, it requires very skilled people. Then, of course, the availability of mulberry leaves here. Then climatic conditions are also responsible. Okay, so now we come to the grammar section. It says the first you have to fill in with the right word. Please do not hesitate to contact me if there are any further questions. Do not hesitate to contact me if there are any further questions, or if I can be of dash in any way. The answer will be assistance. Now you have to find the error in the next question. Spend a night under the stars in a traditional camp where you can experience the warmth of our hospitable and savor and the delicious local cuisine. Very clear. The answer is hospitable is the error and hospitality is the correction. Next is about reporting a question. So, Kriva and Manish had a conversation about the engagement of Kriva's brother. Report Manish's questions. How far is the engagement venue from our house? So Manish inquired, or Manish asked, how far was the engagement venue from his house? Okay. So because Manish, is it Manish or is it Manisha? It is Manish. I'm sorry. So you have to report Manish's question. Okay. Then, okay, sorry, it is from your house, not from our house. So it will be Manish asked. See, देखो किस तरह से, because I read this as our and not your. हमने word गलत लिख दिया. So answer will be Manish asked Kriva how far was the engagement venue from her house. Okay. Or Manish inquired from Kriva how far was the engagement venue from her house. Then it is about reporting a dialogue. So Ankita says, are we going to get some time off for sightseeing? So Sharvari says, oh yes, all the students will get 2 days for sightseeing. So now you have to select the correct option. Ankita asked Sharvari if they were going to get some time off for sightseeing, to which Sharvari replied in the affirmative. So what did she say? She said that all students would get. Alright, so will hai na? So would here will be the answer. So option B is the correct answer. The fifth part, you have to fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the description of notice writing. A notice is a type of social dash used to notify or present information to a specific set of people. So it is a social conversation? No. Is it conveyance? No. It is a social communication. Now again you have to identify the error. It says the board invite online applications from eligible candidates for the post of senior English teacher. So the answer will be the board invites and not invite. Okay. अब कई बारी बच्चे क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड ऐड कर दे, लिख देंगे the board has invited. So you need to be very careful. Is there a need to add another word? Because in 99% of the question, rather 99.9% of the question, instead I would say I've never come across a question जहाँ पर आपको कोई word add करना पड़ा हो. So पहले अच्छे से sentence को पढ़ लेना and then only give the answer. Again, you have to identify the error. Place the garment on the ironing board, smoothing out as many wrinkle as possible. So again you have to find the error. Place the garment on the ironing board, smoothing out as many wrinkle. अब क्या कपड़े पे एक wrinkle होता है? नहीं, there are many wrinkles. So answer is option C. Then complete the given sentence by filling in the blank with the correct option. After she dashed her homework, Anisha finally relaxed and watched a movie with her friends. So after she had finished her homework, Anisha finally relaxed and watched a movie with her friends. Okay. Now again reporting a dialogue. So Ankita says, will you help me plan my itinerary? क्या होता है itinerary? Itinerary is your schedule when you are going out for a trip. कि आप कितने बजे आपकी flight या train you will board, what time will you reach your destination, what places will you visit, what time, what day, what is going to be your return plan. Okay. So Ankita says, will you help me plan my itinerary? So, one second, beta. Okay. So, Tanu says, yes, indeed. Where are you going? So, Ankita asked Tanu if she would help her plan her itinerary. Okay, if she would help her plan her itinerary. So, Tanu enthusiastically replied in the affirmative and asked where she was going. Now you have to fill in the blank with a suitable modal here. Welcome to our website. You dash enjoy 10% off on your first purchase with code welcome. Click here to start shopping. So क्या है ये अफर्मेटिव है कि अगर आप ये काम करोगे सो आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. तो कौन सा मोडाल आएगा? वेरी क्लियरली द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी विल. मैं फिर रिपीट कर रही हूँ, ग्रामर सेक्शन में आपको सिर्फ 10 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं और उनकी नंबरिंग बिल्कुल सही करनी है. ओके, ये बात मैं हर वीडियो में कह रही हूँ आप लोगों को. Okay, now you have to complete the sentence about the reaction of some students by selecting the correct option. Since morning, the group of students dash excited about the forthcoming cultural fest. So since morning, the group of students was excited about the forthcoming cultural fest. Okay, next you have to identify the error. अब आप पूछोगे मैम यहाँ पे was क्यों आए? ये तो students है, because group of students की बात हो रही है. So ये ध्यान रखना है हमें. Okay, this product is manufacturing for infants and contains no additives. I think this is very simple. So this product is manufactured and not manufacturing. Then you have letter writing. I've clearly told you आपको formats clear होने चाहिए. You can refer to my previous videos की letter writing और जो आपके एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ है उनको कैसे आंसर करना है. लेट्स कम टू लिटरेचर सेक्शन. द मून वॉज कमिंग अप इन द ईस्ट बिहाइंड मी एंड स्टार्स वर शाइनिंग इन द क्लियर स्काई अबव मी. देयर वाजंट अ क्लाउड इन द स्काई. वेरी क्लियर. द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन में से ये टेक्स्ट है. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. What time of the day is the above extract set in? Okay, so you have to tell कि किस समय की बात हो रही है. What time? So you are being given the option whether it was dawn, whether it was night, whether it was afternoon, and whether it was dusk. So the answer is night. Okay, why? Because it says and the stars were shining in the clear sky above me. So very clear it was night time. Then state one inference about the writer from the given context. I was looking forward to being with my family. तो जब मैंने ये चैप्टर आप लोगों को पढ़ाया है तो मैंने आपको कैरेक्टर स्केच में ये बताया है. So this pilot was a very family loving person. Correct? And very family oriented person. He was very eager. He was very excited also. Then fill in the blank with the correct word from the brackets. The use of the phrase clear sky adds to a sense of dash weather condition. So favorable. Favorful कोई word नहीं होता. Favorable is the answer. Okay, और हर बारी बताती हूँ vocabulary strong करनी है. फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम पे हर फ्राइडे मैं आपको 2 वर्ड्स बताती हूँ आपकी वोकैबुलरी बिल्ड करने के लिए, एंड उनमें जो भी कंफ्यूजन होती है आई टेल यू हाउ टू अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन. Then how does the serene atmosphere described by the narrator contribute to the mood and anticipation of his journey back to England? Elaborate in about 40 words. So यहाँ पर हमें क्या लिखना है that since the weather conditions seemed very favorable, the narrator was very sure that the pilot was very sure that he's going to land very safely and he's going to reach very safely, and he'll be able to meet his family. So favorable weather conditions making the pilot feel that he's going to reach absolutely on time. There are going to be no delays in being unified with his family. All right. And of course, he was anticipating having a good English breakfast. Then, it's not my balcony. Midnight visitor say hai ye, Ausable said with extreme irritation. It belongs to the next apartment. He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. You see, he said, this room used to be a part of a larger unit, and the next room through that door there used to be the living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window now. You can get onto it from the empty rooms 2 doors down, and somebody did last month. The management promised to block it, but they haven't. इसके बाद वो क्या बोलता है? I'm going to raise the devil. Remember that dialogue? Okay. So what was the management supposed to do regarding the balcony? So they were ideally supposed to block that balcony. A balcony which ideally never existed, okay? Which of the following was the reason that irritated Ausable about the balcony? The size and layout, the location relative to his apartment, accessibility from the neighboring unit, or its maintenance. So here very clearly the answer is the accessibility from the neighboring unit. Then how did Ausable detailed the explanation of the balcony's history? So you have to explain this entire text in your own words, that it was a larger unit and how the balcony led to accessibility. So आपको अपने words में clearly explain करना है. The reference to last month and now adds to a sense of, what does it add? It adds to a sense of mystery here. Then, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood. Now, shaking down of dust of snow gave the speaker a change of heart by how? It is being asked. By reminding him of nature's beauty, by, reminding him that a change can occur in our life. Then how does the interaction between natural elements like crow, snow and hemlock tree contribute to the speaker's emotional transformation? So यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हो that how these things are ideally used as a catalyst to bring about a change in the speaker's mood. Now, dust of snow is referred to as mist, or dust of branches, snowflakes, or snow residue. Very clear, the answer is snowflakes. The crow and the hemlock tree represent, what do they represent here? So here they represent sorrow. Do they represent elation, hope, anxiety, or enthusiasm? So in general, they represent sorrow only. Okay, don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop that slouching and sit up straight, Amanda. There's a languid emerald sea where the sole inhabitant is me, a mermaid drifting blissfully. How does the poet reinforce the contrast between what the narrator wants and what Amanda desires? So the way Amanda is being continuously said that she needs to be well behaved, and actually what Amanda is wanting, she wants to be in an emerald sea where she is actually the sole inhabitant. That is, there's no one around to actually tell her to what to do and not to do. What is conveyed through the repetition of Amanda's name in the line? Is it loving? Is it instructive? It is indifferent or playful? Very clear, the answer is instructive. Okay, then how does the contrast, how does the imagery of the emerald sea with the mermaid contrast with Amanda's action? So here, of course, as you see that, how Amanda actually, she, wants to be the sole inhabitant here. Okay, just a minute, sorry. So how Amanda wants to be the sole inhabitant here, but she still is surrounded by people who tell her what is to be done and what not is to be done. Okay, and along with that, you can also add the point that how Amanda actually wants to be left alone, and so that she is not being bothered by anyone. Okay, moving on. Select the option that supplies the same rhyme scheme as the lines given in the extract. Okay, so let's find the rhyme scheme here. Amanda, so A here, straight, and then Amanda, then C, then me, and then blissfully here. So if you look at the option here, option A is what gives you the same rhyme scheme. Okay, rhyme scheme कैसे find out करनी है? I have told all of you many times, and I have told you कि अगर आपको ये trick समझ आ गई, then you can easily find out the rhyme scheme of any poem. Now you need to answer any 4 of the following questions. The young seagull's fear of flying and reluctance to leave his ledge contribute to the development of the theme of independence and courage in the story. Justify. तो यहाँ पर आपको transition explain करना है कि कैसे young seagull did not want to fly, but what happened when he actually made his first flight. Then in what ways does the contrast between the tiger's natural habitat and its confinement in a concrete cell enhance the poem exploration of captivity and its consequences for wild animals? अब आप एक बात नोट करो, टाइगर इन द जू पोएम से कितनी बारी क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है ओवर द इयर्स और हर एक सेट में आ रहा है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आपको पहले तो पोएम को समराइज करना है, उसके बाद आपको कुछ चीजें एक्सप्लेन करनी है कि किस तरह जो animals हैं, they have the poaching, how practices of hunting and poaching were to be banned because many species became endangered, many of them became extinct, many of them became endangered, and how animals are being harmed. इसमें आप ये भी explain कर सकते हो how animals are exploited for personal material gains, like making clothes out of them, or training them for entertainment purpose like in a circus. So ये आपको कुछ pointers हैं, real life examples देने हैं. Then the portrayal of bakers attire, the role in the village emphasized the cultural and social significance of bread making with then community. Elaborate. तो यहाँ पर आपको बताना है कि बेकर क्यों important था और जो वो bread थी why it was important, वो different functions, different events में कैसे important होती थी. देखो क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा चैप्टर से ही गया है, but it is asked in a twisted manner. Then what happens to the house when the trees move out of it? So here you need to comment. So house of course feels very silent. Then there are cracks in the veranda, the glass is broken, and there is smell of leaves and lichen. Then how does Valli's desire to ride the bus reflect her aspirations and challenges in context of her daily life? So here you talk about why she wanted, to go on the bus. What were the challenges that she was trying to overcome, like, collecting enough money, having that time, so that curiosity that she had. So उसकी जो personal life है वो कैसे reflect होती है यहाँ पर. Next, you have to answer any two. How do Anil's initial reaction to Hari Singh's cooking and his subsequent action reflect Anil's evolving relationship with Hari Singh? So यहाँ पर आपको बताना है that how Anil and Hari Singh, when they met, how Hari Singh lied about cooking something, but Anil was still okay with it. And then, how Anil made him read and write, how Hari Singh seeked an opportunity where he stole money, but his concise pricked him. He returned to Anil. So, in a way, the summarization of the story. Then, the unexpected counter with the voice in the doorway affects Horace burglary attempt. Elaborate. तो यहाँ पर आपको बताना है the encounter that Horace Danby had with the lady in red. Then the play The Book That Saved the Earth uses humor and misunderstanding between the Martians and Earthlings to explore the themes of perception and cultural differences. Comment. तो यहाँ पर आपको बताना है that how nursery rhymes were misinterpreted, that talking about how sometimes we have things fixed in our mind, we have that kind of an outlook, we are not able to look beyond a point, how cultural differences also occur in such a scenario, but then how do we actually overcome this kind of scenario. ओके सो यहाँ पर आपको एग्जाम्पल्स देने पड़ेंगे कि नर्सरी राइम्स को क्या क्या इंटरप्रेट किया जा रहा था. Then the 10th question, again answer any one. Comment on the reactions and feelings of Lencho and Nelson Mandela when they face challenges in their lives. So here you talk about that, you know, how Lencho initially felt was very remorseful, but because he had trust in God, he thought that everything is going to fall back in place, and he was very clear how to or what action he needs to take. All right, and actually the action that he takes, and you know, he was very hopeful that his prayers will be answered. Talking about Nelson Mandela here, it is very complex, you know, because the kind of challenge he faced was very different from what Lencho had faced. But he also believed in taking the responsibility, and he thought that, you know, it is me only who can bring about a change in the particular situation. All right. Then discuss how the writer's use of language to create humor in the poem Tale of Custard Dragon and the play The Proposal. So here you need to quote examples of humorous incidents. So like language being used, how pets have been described, how dragon's physical appearance is being described, but yet, you know, he's said to be a coward. So proposal, talking about, you know, how the characters are very materialistic in nature, the argumentative nature that they have. Then the last question, discuss how Bholi evolves through the story. So again, आपको पूरा वो transition बताना है. What are the qualities that contribute to her transformation from a timid girl to a confident young woman? So here of course आपको teacher के बारे में describe करना है, but साथ में ये बताना है Bholi's willingness to learn. Then Hari's character evolved from being deceitful and opportunistic to remorseful and seeking redemption. In the light of above information, describe how his decision to return the money signifies a moral awakening in him and a newfound appreciation for Anil's kindness and mentorship. So again, you have to explain the entire story. Okay. So that's about it from today. कल हम करेंगे set 2/4/1 2025 का पेपर. प्लीज इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, उसके भी पैसेजेस आप अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू एजुकेटर प्रेरणा. थैंक यू.